counting number of breath cycles in 60 seconds. In 1 minute, how many inhalation, exhalation you are doing, count that, and that is your deep breathing exercise measurement. We'll do it now. Okay. I will put a timer of 60 seconds. When I say start, please start deep breathing. Use your stomach in and out as comfortable as you can. I mean, there is no force. You have to be very gentle with your body and mind. We are not in competition. The idea here is to understand the deep breathing exercise. So when I say start, you start counting. Inhalation, exhalation 1. Another inhalation, exhalation 2. After 60 seconds, I will say stop. You know your count and write it down. Can we do this? Yeah? Good. Ready? Start. Three, two, one, stop. You know your count, write it down. August 17, 2025. Breathing has a direct relation with emotions. We'll discuss a little more about emotions later, but that is my specialization. But this is a beginning. When you are very angry, you will not remember to do deep breathing and count and all that. So it's a good idea to practice this every day so that when the occasion arises, you will be able to manage your emotions. Practice deep breathing every day, 2 minutes, anywhere, anytime. Can we do this? Yeah, homework. I'm going to give a lot of homework today. 2 minutes deep breathing every day. You don't have to count every day. You can count every month. The idea is that you know it should not increase. It should remain same or try to reduce it. Try to reduce it also, not overnight. If your count is 10, for example, if it is 10, try to make it 9 over 1 month. Okay.
I had 6 right now, is it 5?
Fantastic.
I tried to minimize it.
Right. Whether it's 6 or 10 or 20 is not the point. We know where we stand. We have taken the reading for ourselves. And as I say, we are not in competition. We are not trying to, I have seen people breath cycle 1 minute. They are so calm and composed. That's why they are leaders. Practice it. Lesser is the better. When the person is angry, PK, you will see painting, extreme emotions. The breath cycles is very high. The idea is to practice so that our respiratory center in the brain gets reset, it's get calibrated. So even in normal when you are doing your work or whatever, the breath cycle will remain low. Lower the better. Good. Another breathing exercise, Anulom Vilom or alternate nostril breathing. Alternate nostril breathing, in the beginning we can use finger, inhale from right, block left nostril, exhale from left, again inhale from left, block left, exhale from right, again inhale from right, and so on. Alternate. Start with 2 minutes every day. Anulom Vilom or alternate breathing is an excellent exercise to check your emotions. Friends, apart from health benefit, what is the subtle benefit of Anulom Vilom or alternate breathing? Anyone? You have heard of Anulom Vilom. I mean, it's very common. Hundreds of YouTube videos. What is the subtle benefit? Is my question.
It's present moment practice.
Okay. Anybody else? Friends, benefit of Anulom Vilom is it reduces likes and dislikes. We need to learn to remain neutral. We get upset. For example, let's say there is a sound. Someone will say, "Stop it. I don't like jazz music. This is music." Hey. Someone likes jazz, someone likes classical. Music by itself cannot be good or bad. We have attached the likes and dislikes. And the more we attach, the more we get upset. The benefit of Anulom Vilom or alternate breathing is to reduce your like and dislike one notch down. The more we are neutral, the less we react. We are all very intelligent. We react. उसको इतना भी नहीं मालूम, कितनी बार बोला? You know, I mean, sometimes you speak, you are not able to speak. The anger is there inside. How many times should I tell you? उसका कुछ होगा या नहीं, हम तो अपसेट होने ही वाले हैं, जो दुखी होने ही वाले हैं. Practice Anulom Vilom. 2 minutes every day. See the difference. Amazing things are there in our scriptures. All these were there in ancient scriptures. Almost all religion talk about it. But I want to keep our discussion scientific because I don't want to get into religion and my guru is better than your guru, you follow my... Let's not get into that corner. And the best thing is you do it, you realize you get benefited, that's it. Next topic is sound energy. Sound energy. That is mantra. Friends, I remember in the school we have that laboratory and practicals were there where a tuning fork is given. When you vibrate one tuning fork, another tuning fork starts vibrating. It's called resonance, principle of resonance. The sound